guys. It's been so long. Yes, I know. But I'm back again. Today, I've been seeing some messages that have been. You receive some messages and your emo will be rupo. Like rupo. You know rupo. Now I want to now address the people that used to use all those rubbish for me. First of all, we're having a conversation here. We're having a convo. Slowly. Then maybe I say something funny. You now put smiles. Sis, dude, you have the emoji. Just take your phone. If you don't know how to do it, take your phone. Swipe, you will see it. Put the smiles there. Don't write smiles for me. Don't write it for me. Second, okay, you know, LOL, lots of laugh, right? Logs, LOL. Then you know, I don't know where that philosophy now came from. You now put X. Look on. Is it loss of lobster? Loss of laughter. Ha! Push pity the people that are reading these logs. Like just say logs. When it's not log soup. Please pity us. The other one, lemao. Ayérayé Ọlọ́run ìjọ. Lemao. No, lemao. The one that is even worse, you'll be having a conversation face to face. You now say lemao. Because just laugh. Just laugh. You can laugh. Even lemao. What is that supposed to mean? Lemao. Oh my god. Just laugh. Don't lemao anything. Just take a laugh. The next people I want to call on this register, because I'm calling register, and it's not like I'm calling register. All of you know yourself. Line up as I'm calling you. Line up. +1. No, I thought it's -1. A person is having bed. See, the day is to decrease in bed. We know he's +1. No, I thought that you will minus from it. We know it's +1. Happy womb escape. Jesus. So the womb have not turned to prison that you escaped from. No, happy prison break. Happy prison break. Yeah. Oh my god. Happy this one. You gotta listen twice. To digest it. Happy placenta detached day. You get it? You understand now? Happy birthday is simple enough, people of God. Happy birthday is simple enough. See, you've not detached placenta before. If you want to get creative with your, do something nice. Placenta detached into your lung. How? There are some birthday wishes you will see and you say, oh Bentley, don't wish me happy birthday. Clip it, hang it, shock it somewhere. Placenta detached. Oh my god. You say, I don't know if people get the philosophy. Happy birthday, the day you were born. Thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you. That's the meaning. That's the aim. That's the up and the down of it. Thank you. Don't come and be adding nonsense. Happy womb escape. Happy placenta detached. Are you okay? It's only people that are not okay that do that. It's only people that are not okay that do such rubbish. Happy birthday is simple enough. The other one, age with grace. It sounds simple enough, right? But there's a misconception there. Age with grace is mostly used for old people, not for young ones. Omode, small child of 10 years. Age with grace, baby. It's used for old people. Because once they are growing old, Gubara is, you know, sickness and everything. Age with grace means as you are aging, you will not be sick. You will be in good health. This things will happen to you. That's what age with grace means. Please, 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 please. Iroya Adi. Ha! Iroya Adi. If you hear this, stand on this line that I'm calling attention to. If I'm calling you, you are in this category of people. Move forward. Iroya Adi. No, he's in common Adi. Abi? He's in common Adi. The birthday is common. It not be only Roya. You know, don't be only Roya. Royalty is in Ekpele. In Adi. People just like to overdo. This to do some people. That I cannot just wish somebody happy birthday like a normal human being, like a normal person we do. Just to do it. People cannot do happy birthday in peace. Huh. Jare. Set it boy HNM. H N and M. Can you guess? We just take a guess. Take a rough guess. Happy New Month, not so. Happy New Month. Happy New Month. I've turned to HNM. HN M and M money. HM money. Just like to be stressed. The first time this was sent to me, I swear I didn't know what it meant. Okay, now you send an I have to now ask what you now have to say the full thing. Just say the full thing and stop giving me stress. Stop giving people unnecessary stress. It's stressful to my brain. Not making me look as if I didn't go to school. Oh. Then, if you're among these people, stand on the line. Don't argue. Just get online and stand. WULLT. Ha. Hey. Wish you long life and prosperity. I swear, if you send this to me, if you send this to me and I see it, it's my birthday. It's not a day to stress me. You want to wish me long life and prosperity? Write it a full like a normal person. Don't stress me. It's early in the morning and I'm receiving birthday wish. I'm doing WULLT. Are you okay? Can't you write? Like there was a reason we were sent to school. Write. Wish. Okay. Don't come and stress me. It's the morning of my birthday. Don't come and stress me. I'm not asking for much. Write like a normal person that has a brain. As simple as that. Okay, there you have it, guys. As the review for today. All of you that are using these things, being word. Type like normal people, being word. Hear word now as I've said it. Being word. Be hearing word. Good. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a beautiful day. Take care of yourselves. And I remain Oyindamola Ojewole. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And tell your friends too to like and subscribe. Have a good day.